boom. Blowing like a firework, you don't know what to do. Give me that oh, 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 oh. Give me that ooh. Coming quick at lightning speed, don't wanna take it slow. You know this kicks and thrills for me, the faster that I go. Give me that ooh, 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 ooh. Give me that ooh. I get what I want, I do what I please. I'm never gonna stop till I get what I need. Ready or not, give me what you got. Give me that thing, some of that ooh. I'm never gonna stop till I break on through. Ready or not, give me all you got. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Ready or not, na 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 na, na 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 na. There's noise in the jungles, only one breath away. Heart is beating faster as they're hunting for their prey. No, I won't run, 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 run. No, I won't run. Tangled in these spider webs, there's no getting out. I just keep on fighting, there's no stopping now. Won't back down. No, 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 I won't back down. I get what I want, I do what I please. I'm never gonna stop till I get what I need. Ready or not, give me what you got. Give me that thing, some of that ooh. I'm never gonna stop till I break on through. Ready or not, give me all you got. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Ready or not, na 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 na, na 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 na. I'm never gonna stop. I'm never gonna stop. Na 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 na. Ready or not, ready or not. I'm never gonna stop. Na 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 na. Ready or not, ready or not. I get what I want. Na 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 na. I do what I please. Na na na. I'm never gonna stop. Na na na. Till I get what I need or not. Ready or not, give me what you got. Give me that thing, na na na, some of that na 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 na. I'm never gonna stop, na na na, till I break on. Ready or not, ready or not, ready or not.
And make yourselves comfortable and enjoy the rest of the day. So just like Taylor Swift, she's now stepping into a new era of her life filled with adventures, growth, and unforgettable memories. So ladies and gentlemen, sit back as we witness the spectacular night of her life and enjoy her party. So my name is Tisha Lay,
And I am Edmore,
and we are your
Masters of Ceremony.
Sa kalangitan, kami po ay nagpupurit ng papasalamat sa iyong buhay na kaloob. Ikaw po nagbibigay sa amin ng lakas, ng kayamanan, kagalingan, kalusugan po. At ikaw po ang Diyos na siya pong kasama namin sa lakad ng buhay at sa lahat ng aspeto ng aming buhay. Ikaw po, Panginoon, ay nariyan. Sa gabi pong ito, kami po ay nagpapasalamat ang Panginoon ng kanyang ikalabing-walong taon ng kanyang buhay at kami po ay nagpapasalamat pagkat ikaw ang Diyos na nag-iingat po, Panginoon, sa kanya. Ngayon siya, Panginoon, ay tutuntong sa panibagong yugto ng kanyang buhay. Dalangin po namin ang iyong pagsama, dalangin po namin, Panginoon, ang iyong biyaya at gabay, ang siya pong lulukob sa kanya. Sa gabi nito, kami po ay magsasaya. Kami po, Panginoon, ay makikigalak sa buhay ni Abby. Pagkat ikaw na aming Diyos ay aming po kinikilala na pinagmumulan ng aming buhay at nagsusustain nito. Kaya po sa oras na ito, ang mga sandali at oras na lilipas ay sa iyo po namin itinitiwala. At dahil diyan, amin po, Panginoon, ibinabalik sa iyo ang lahat ng papuri, pasalamat at pagsamba sa pangalan ng aming Panginoong Jesus.
Let us all acknowledge the ever-supportive and loving family of our debutant. Ayan, so let's give them a round of applause as they enter the Hilario family.
Palakpakan po natin sila. And put together as we welcome the main highlight of this celebration. As we step into a new era, ladies and gentlemen, Our Lady of the Evening, our lovely debutant, Miss Abby Rose Hilario.
There she is, everyone. Very soothing and napakaganda.
Pa siya, partner. Binigay ako 100%.
Totoo yan, part.
Yan, very pretty.
I heard you're feeling nothing's going So here I am in my new apartment in a big city. They just dropped me off. It's so much colder than I thought it would be, so I took myself in and turned my nightlight on. Wish I'd never grown up. Wish I'd never grown up. Oh, I don't wanna grow up. Wish I'd never grown up. I can still be little. Oh, I don't wanna grow up. Wish I'd never grown up. I can still be simple.
Lolo, Marcelo Luis po. Ayan, happy po.
You are the one, girl. You know that it's true.
Sayaw po, sayaw! Later po!
I'm feeling younger every time that I'm alone with you. We were sitting in a park car, stealing
We have
kisses in
Mr.
the front
Hazel
yard.
Fernandez.
We got questions we should not ask, but like they used to before.
Palakpakan naman, everyone!
And I can't sweep you off of your feet. Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love?
Next po, we have Mr. Jonathan
Will your
Hilario.
eyes still smile from your cheek? Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could still fall as hard at 23. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just the touch of a hand.
Next po, we have Mr. Agustin
Me, I
Terson.
fall in love with you every
Round of
single
applause,
day.
everyone!
And I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars.
Next, we have Mr. Ernesto
Place
Hilario.
your hands on my beating heart. I'm thinking now. Maybe I came on too strong. Maybe I waited too long. Maybe I played my cards wrong. Oh, just a little bit wrong. Baby,
Next, we have Mr. Robert Capuchon.
just fall. I could fall or I could fly here in your aeroplane. And I could live,
Robert Capuchon.
I could die hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all and jumping in harder than 10,000 rocks on the lake. So don't call me baby unless you mean it. And don't tell me you need me if you don't believe it.
So next to dance our debutante, Mr.
Before
Leon Daniel Manalo.
right to you. Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes,
Ay, nakaway na!
but it's the only thing. We keep this loving.
Keep your eyes locked on mine and let the music beyond a dime.
Next, we have Mr. Dennis Hilario.
It's one in a million, the chances of feeling the way we do. And with every step together, we just keep on getting there.
Next, we have Raymond Abrel.
And I have this Till as old as time, true as it can be. Barely even friends, there's somebody best, unacceptable.
Next, we have Mr. Raymond Austin.
Just a little change. Small to say the least. Both a little scared. Neither one prepared. Beauty and the beast. Ever just the same.
Next, we have Mr. Luis Ibarra.
Ever a surprise. Ever as before. And ever just as sure as the sun will rise.
Next, we have Mr. Marcelli Llanes.
Okay.
Ever as before.
And never just as sure
As the sun.
Next, we have Mr. Brian Hilario.
Can you be my love until the very end? Let me show you love. I'm not pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh, don't you worry. I'll be there whenever you want.
Once again, Mr. Brian Hilario.
You girl, I swear I'd do the best.
Next po, we have the brother of the debutant, Mr. Astin Hilario. Yeah, palakpakan naman po natin.
Gusto kitang isayaw ng mapakal. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mapakal. Hawak kamay, pikit mata.
And lastly, we have the father, loving father of our debutant, Mr. Bonifacio Hilario. Palakpakan po natin.
back when I was a child.
Everyone, let us all give a round of applause to the father, Mr. Bonifacio Hilario, together with our lovely debutant for their father and daughter dance.
Me
So,
high
palakpakan po ulit.
and dance with my mother and me. Then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another
binigyan ako ni Lord ng friend na katulad mo, a friend na supportive, caring, and karamay ko through ups and downs. I love you so much and thank you for being a wonderful friend. May this year bring you happiness and all the blessings that you deserve. Yes, talaga. Happy birthday, Abby, for 6 years na mag-friends tayo since grade 7. I love you so much. Wow. So, ayan, next, we have Trixie Marie Laksamana.
Sa ating madalas kong kasamang gumastos ng senior high, sana makapag-kwek-kwek na tayo ulit, sana makapag-Walter na tayo, at sana makapalik na ulit tayo ng Adoration Chapel. Ang wish ko sa'yo ngayon ay sana marami pang madagdag sa collection mo ng 200 na buo. At ingat ka palagi. Love you.
Okay ka lang ba?
Happy legality, Abby Rose Hilary, and thank you for being a wonderful friend, and and always be a good daughter and friend and a student. Amen. I love you so much.
Tatiana Betty Corsanes. Thank you for healing my inner child, some of my inner child, and ang wish ko sa'yo is be happy and enjoy. I love you. Next to give her present, Chiki May Padua.
Happy birthday, Abby. More birthdays to come and more money sa Baguio. I love you.
Garcia.
Hi, Mario. Hindi ako na-inform my mess. I love you and we all love you. Happy birthday.
So next to give his present, Mr.
Happy birthday. Itong gift ko is kagaya ng niregalo mo sa akin. Tsaka magagamit mo to sa panghabang buhay.
Ay, naman.
Happy birthday ulit. Thank you sa pag-invite.
May we call on Mr. Leonard Marquez.
May all your wishes come true and may all your efforts meet with success. Happy birthday.
His present is none other than our host tonight, Mr. John Edmar Bugayong.
Almost 5 years or 3 years tayo magkasama. Pero solid na yung bonding. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
So hello ulit. Happy birthday, Abby. So, thank you sa pag-invite sa akin at sa pag-tap sa akin na mag-host ng iyong birthday party. So ayun, itong regalo ko sa'yo, actually hindi naman ako nahirapan na bumili kasi alam ko naman na kahit anong ibigay ko sa'yo, ma-appreciate mo. Yes, gusto mo yun. So ayun, I think lahat naman kami is pare-pares lang din yung wish sa'yo, and that is for you to be genuinely happy in life and for you to become successful one day. So ayun, happy birthday ate ko. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Abby. Ipagpatuloy mo rin ang paggawa ng mabuti. Ayun, I love you.
Call on Miss Maria Denise Bongay.
Saba.
Sobrang grateful ako na nakilala kita. I love you.
Miss Maria Concepcion Austria.
Sabi mo, anong kulay? Ay, ano? Happy birthday, maligayang kaarawan sa'yo, Abby. Dapat mo na malaman na thankful ako na kinalabit mo ako nung day 3 na pinakita mo yung pencil case mo sa akin. At dahil doon nagsimula yung friendship namin at hanggang ngayon, friends pa rin kami. Oh, sana magamit mo yung gift ko sa'yo. Magustuhan mo. Kasi wala ka na rin choice. I Ayun, thank you sa pag-invite and mahal kita so much.
May all your goals and wishes come true.
So next, we have Francesca Mason Fernandez.
I wish you a good life, a long life, and many birthdays to come, and be healthy. Happy birthday.
And next, we have
Happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy tonight's event. Yun lang.
lastly, to give his
Hello, Abby, I love you. Happy birthday.
yes, please.
Smile, smile.
Say I'm out of my mind, that I should be with you, but they don't understand the way I feel for you. So I give me all the taste I've never took before, but they don't understand. When I'm crazy, I'm just a man searching for reasons to find you over and over again. When I'm crazy, I'm just a man. And doing everything that I see, searching for reason, I'm just a man. Mahalin, ngunit patuloy ang aking lagi.
Palakpakan po naman po natin siya. Yan, napakaganda na.
Nothing goes before you know. So I just had to let you know the way that Gucci look on you.
Buti kang bata, lagi, study hard, always, and more birthday to come. Happy birthday ulit.
Enjoy your special day. Always obey your papa and mama, okay?
I hope all your birthday wishes and dreams come true. We love you so much.
More birthdays to come.
All the best.
Enjoy your very special day.
More blessings.
God bless.
This is Karen Hilario. Nag-enjoy ka ba? Hindi ko alam kung sabi. Bakit nakakayak yung music? Iyak na ako dapat. No, happy birthday anak ko. I hope nag-enjoy ka ngayon sa party na talaga namang pinaghandaan namin ng mga tita mo, mga tito mo, kami lahat, no? Para just to show you how much we love you. And also ng mga lolo at lola, mga tita, Tita Joy, mga tito-tita, yan si Tito Hansel na talaga namang nag-effort na mag-video mo, anak.
ganyan ka namin kamahal. Okay? Siguro wish ko sa'yo, anak ko, is syempre good health palagi, lalo na ngayon na nag-aaral ka sa malayo, hindi mo kami kasama. Syempre, pag nagkasakit ka, ikaw talaga magdadali mo sa hospital. Kagaya nung nangyari last time, di ba? Na hindi ka nakapasok dahil nga may sakit ka. But yun lang, na sana lagi kang healthy anak. Sana lahat ng wish mo matupad. Lahat ng hiling ng puso mo. Isa lang naman ang request namin lahat. Sana, bawas-bawasan mo pagiging masungit. Real talk to, mga anak, ha? Para mas mamahalin ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Ha? I love you, anak ko. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much po. Palakpakan ako.
Marvy Fernando. Mrs. Marvy.
Wala na akong masasabi, sinabi na lahat ni mama mo. Kaya, ang wish ko na lang sa'yo is, mag-aral kang, message na lang, mag-aral kang mabuti, Ate, at sana, matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Nandito lang kami para sa'yo, susuportahan ka namin. Alam mo naman, love na love kita. Love na love ka namin, Ate Abby. Happy birthday!
So ayan, next we have Mr. Jonathan Hilario.
Sa inyong lahat, una sa lahat, nais ko munang magpasalamat sa pag-imbita sa akin dito sa special na araw nito. Abby, happy 8th birthday sa'yo. Alam kong mabait kang bata at mapagmahal sa mga magulang mo. Wish ko sana lahat ng pangarap mo ay matupad at magiging successful balang araw. Ituloy mo lang ang pag-aaral mo. Dalangin ko na sana bigyan ka ni Lord ng malakas na pangangatawan. Ingatan at alagaan mo ang iyong sarili. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless all.
So next, tawagin po natin ulit si Mr. Jonathan Hilario.
Happy 18th birthday, Abby. Siguro may nakapagsabi, dalaga na si Abby. Pwede na mag-boyfriend, no? Pwede ka na mag-boyfriend, Abby. Pero, huwag muna. Kasi gagalit si Bonnie. Magagalit si Bonnie. Mag-aral mo muna. Sabi nila, pag may boyfriend daw, parang inspirasyon. Well, sa iba, ganun nga. Pero most of the time, nagiging distraction yun. So, focus muna sa pag-aaral. Di ba? Yung boyfriend naman, nandyan lang yan. Hindi ka mauubusan. Na? Sige. Sabi mo yan, ha? So, happy 18th birthday. And sana, matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. At make your mama, your papa, your kuya, and your family proud. Happy birthday, Abby. Love you.
May we call on Mr. Abstin Hilario.
Una-una sa lahat, happy birthday sa aking pinakamamahal na kapatid. Wala na akong masabi, nasabi na lahat. Pero sana matupad mo lahat ng pinapangarap mo sa buhay. Tsaka pinapangarap ko. I love you.
Maisel Fernando.
Happy birthday, Ate Abby. As you celebrate this milestone, may your heart grow with love, wisdom, and kindness, and study hard and grow. I hope you will be successful one day, a successful psychologist. Happy birthday, we love you.
Christine Cardona.
Happy birthday to my lovely cousin, Ate Abby. My picture-taking buddy, my close friend when it comes to laughing at small things, and my forever friend and sister. Even though we have our misunderstandings, we still get to make up and just laugh the misunderstanding away as if nothing happened. You are truly a blessing to me and to our family. You are the sunshine through my rainy days. And also, I'm also thankful to have someone like you growing up. And this message is not enough to express how much I appreciate you, that you exist, my cousin. You are definitely meant to be part of everyone's lives, and for that, you are really worth to exist. Happy birthday, my closest cousin. Just the wish for you to be happy in your life is not enough for me to express how much I love you. Once again, happy birthday, Ate Abby.
Ibarra.
Sana pinauna mo ako dun sa dalawa. Nag-English nila eh. Hindi ko kinaya yun. Joke lang. First of all, happy birthday, Abby. I know na nag-grow ka ng mature and nag-aaral ka ng mabuti. We all know that. And sa journey mong yan, madami ka pang matututunan. Marami pang process na mangyayari sa buhay mo. Sabi nga nila, 18 is adult na, pero yan yung stage na mas makikilala mo yung sarili mo. And doing everything and anything and making decision, dapat alam mo lahat ng gagawin mo, lalong-lalo na nandun ka na sa young lady. Kaya yun, happy birthday and sana maging happy ka today.
So next we have Miss Aliyah Joy.
Happy 18th birthday, Abby, and I wish you a life full of adventures, achievements, love, success, and of course, good health. And may your new journey in life be filled with joy, and sana marami pang opportunities and blessings na dumating sa buhay mo. And sana one day magkaroon tayo ng chance na makilala yung isa't isa. So, happy birthday!
Abrela.
I wish you all the best and just always study hard to bring home the bacon. God bless you always. Happy birthday.
Mr. Raymond. So next, may we call on Grace Raneses.
Lahat and okay, happy birthday, Abby. Hindi man kita masyadong kilala, pero kasi si mami mo, beshi-beshi namin sa school and napaka-proud niya sa'yo. At nafe-feel din namin yung pagka-proud ni mommy niya kasi every time na daming positive na sinasabi. Ganun. Kaya pag may post, proud na din ako, parang anak ko na rin po siya. Happy birthday and praying for your wisdom and good health, of course. And happy birthday. Thank you.
Corazon de Guzman Nazaire.
So, good evening po sa ating lahat. Buti na lang, hindi sinabi ni Ma'am Karen na magsasalita ako or else, naku, mahabang oras ang maiubos. So, I will just give my declaration from the Bible po ito kasi gusto ko, ito ang magiging gabay ni Abby as she grow up to be a blooming young lady. Truly a beautiful rose. Sabi po sa Bible sa Numbers 6 verse 23. Sabi niya, the Lord bless thee and keep you. The Lord make His face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. The Lord lift up His countenance upon you and give you peace. That is my declaration for you, dear Abby. Sabi nga ni Ma'am Grace kanina, we don't really know you that well, but your mom, kilalang-kilala namin siya. From 2016, magkasama po kami sa public school and talagang we are so close, kaya very close ka rin sa puso namin. And we love you, Abby. We know you dahil sa mga kwentuhan ni mama mo. That's why we are here because we also want to celebrate the happiness of your proud parents on your 18th birthday. So God bless you, anak. Happy birthday again. And continue to be a blessing to your parents. Okay? Bye.
Micaela Bianca Aquilo.
I wish good health and sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay.
Bianca. So next, we have Hannah B. Nicole of Presyo.
Hi, Abby. Ba't hello? Hello. Yan lang. Biglang na-pressure ako. Ba't puro kapamilya ko? Kasi, wait lang. Ay, dito ba? Saan ba? Hello, Abby. Yan, happy birthday. Wala akong message. Sorry, kakagaling lang sa quiz. Yun lang. Na-wish naman na ng lahat, pero ayun, magdadagdag lang ako. Wish ko sa'yo ay magkaroon ka ng genuine happiness. Kasi nakilala ka So yun, nakilala ka as the funny friend yun. Kaya yun, wish ko lang na kung napapasaya mo kami, dapat may happiness ka rin. Yun lang naman. Yun. Happy birthday ulit, love you.
Next na magbibigay ng wish is Miss Cyrene Mejia.
Hindi mo ako sinabihan. Ano ba yan? Siyempre, happy birthday kahit ng 20 pa. Yun nga, ang kulit kasi ni Abby, ginachat niya si mama ko kasi kasi same sila ng birthday. Tapos sinasabi niya, tita, punta ka sa birthday ko para dalawa tayo sa harapan umupo. Ganyan. Tapos ayun, kasi yun hindi nakapunta si mama ko, pero yun, happy birthday daw. At tawag dito, hindi talaga kami masyadong close ni Abby dati. Yun nga, parang na-post ko na sa damto na naiyak pa ako dahil sa kanya. Oo, yung naiyak ako dahil ng grade 7, ganyan. Pero nung, kailan ba? Grade 11, ayun, naging close kami kasi gumawa kami ng mga mabubuting gawain sa mga kaklase namin. Alam mo yan? Ayun, ngayong college ka na, siyempre magbago-bago ka na. Happy birthday ulit. Thank you sa pag-imbita.
Ayan, next wish is si Mr. Anton Estrada.
Ang daming camera. Happy 18th birthday, Abby. Welcome to adulthood. May this milestone year be filled with incredible experiences, cherished memories, and endless opportunities. Enjoy your every moment and chapter in this life. Salamat, Abby, sa pag-iimbita sa akin kahit last minute na. Salamat ulit.
Cute na cousin ni Abby, which is si
Happy birthday, Ate Abby. I love you. I wish you.
Maganda na nagmana sa akin. Huwag mo nagkokontra po, walang kokontra. Wish ko lang na sana ano ba yun? Wish ko na magiging mabait kang talaga. Okay, anak? Love you and many more birthdays come. Love you.
Next po, we have Miss Julieta Texo.
Happy 18th birthday, and may you enjoy the fullest. Confirm na adult ka na ngayon. I hope ma-achieve mo lahat yung wishes and yung mga dreams mo. At sigurado, pag nangyari yun, wala nang ibang masaya kundi ang parents mo. Kasama na sina Tito Ariel at saka si Tita Chuchi. Okay? Happy birthday. Love you.
We have Sir Marcelo Luis.
Hi, Abby. Happy birthday. You know, Abby, you know how much I love you. You know that? You believe me? Yeah, I really love you. Alam mo ba na yung kuya mo, selos na selos sa'yo? Oh, inaaway ako ng kuya mo. Bakit lagi daw, Abby, Abby, Abby? But he doesn't know that that's just because I love you most. Okay? So, at your birthday today, you're only 18. May mga wishes din ako sa'yo. Okay? Umpisan ko sa salitang sana sa Tagalog. The positive way sa sana. Sana lagi kang safe sa Baguio. Sana sa Baguio magkaroon ka ng mga mabubuti at mga tunay na mga kaibigan. Sana wag mong pababayaan yung iyong pag-aaral. Sana magpursige ka na makatapos ng iyong pag-aaral. Sapagkat alam ko kung paano yung mga sakripisyo ng mga magulang mo para lang makatapos ka. Alam mo yan? Sana makatapos ka dun sa kurso mo. Na hindi, hindi ko sabihin na walang umiistobo sa'yo sa iyong pag-aaral. May boyfriend ka na ba? Wala. Okay. That's good. Ialis mo muna sa isip mo yung pagbo-boyfriend. Ha? Dahil nakapaghihintay yan. Kung talagang mahal ka ng isang lalaki, kung sino man siya, maghihintay siya. No? So, sana, study hard. Make sure na makatapos sa pag-aaral mo at makamit mo kung ano man yung gusto mong maging. Okay? So again, I express my, yung pagmapagiging lagi, si Abstin. Okay ka lang dyan, Abstin. Mas mahal ko lang konti si ading mo kaysa sa'yo. Okay, so, happy birthday.
Ate Mama Mukot.
Happy birthday, Abby. I love you.
Thank you so much. Next, we have Relina Rizalina Funda.
Sana maging successful ka someday.
From Tita Lourdes, happy birthday.
To become an adult and the younger you will ever be. So make the most of it. Happy 18th birthday and God bless.
Abby, ang wish ko sa'yo, sana matupad lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay at mag-aral mabuti. God bless.
Austria.
Abby Rose, welcome to adulthood. Sabi nga, wag mo na daw mag-boyfriend. Daw ha, wag mo na mag-aral mo na mabuti. All the best.
Thank you so much po, Ma'am Vanessa. Next po, we have Ma'am Kyla Salta.
Happy birthday, Abby. Lahat na yata na wish na at nasabi na. Ano na lang, sana always love and respect your family, especially your parents.
Lenny Antonio.
Happy 18th birthday. Sana matupad lahat ng mga wishes na sinabi nila sa'yo. Sana mag-aral ka mabuti.
Bibigay ko sa'yo para mihin mo at pag dumami, bigyan mo ko. bigyan mo ko ulit. Okay? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Abby.
First of all, thanks for inviting me. Wish ko more blessings, more love, more good vibes, happiness. Happy lang. No, thank you. Abby, ulit. Tapos, mahal na mahal kita. Ulit. Wish ko sa'yo happiness, success, and good health. Hanggang mabuti.
Bawal na mag-boyfriend. Aral mo lang, maraming regalo. Happy birthday!
They just always keep on praying. Study hard. All the best. Happy birthday.
Mr. Abstin Hilary.
Abby, halos lahat ng wish nasabi na nila. So ang wish ko is sana ibalik mo to sa akin mamaya.
Abby ng happy birthday.
And then, iinumin na po natin yung...
Magtutoast po muna tayo and then iinumin natin yung... So, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Abby! Ayan, toast! Ayan, happy legality once again, Abby.
Thank you po sa pagpunta sa mga tao na family, friends ni Mama, friend ko, teacher po sa St. Rose, teacher sa Mokada, sa mga taga dito po sa Salumagi, Texan family, Cardona family, Salta family, Feliciano family, Antonio family, sino pa? Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Ibarra family pa raw. Thank you po sa pagpunta. Ay, tsaka sa family po, sa kina Lola Abing, kina Tita Chuchi. Thank you po sa mga side mo. Sa side ko rin po. Thank you po, Hilario family, family po ni Mr. Dennis, Mr. Jonathan, mga kapatid po, di ba? Ay, hello po, Tita Chichi. Thank you po sa pagpunta. Thank you rin po sa inyo po na videographer at sa mga andun po sa likod sa amin. Nagpuminom na. Tita Chari, thank you po sa pag-ayos ng birthday ko. Ninang Kayla, thank you po. At saka sa staff. Sa mga nagluto, sa mga gumawa ng sandwich, naghati, nag-cut ng fruits. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. At kay Tito Ariel din daw po. Kay Tito Ariel, thank you po. Kay Ninong Chan, thank you rin po. Tama, nakatutok sa iyo kami. Thank you po sa mga nag-host din. Happy birthday, Abby! Wish ko para sa'yo. Psychology talaga. Thank you po kay Samilio family rin po. And kids. Mamukot family. Thank you po, buong barangay. Enjoy po tayong lahat. Ubusin po natin ang pagkain para hindi sayang. Pwede yung mga sandwich. Yan po. Thank you po. I love you all.
So ayan, a round of applause naman.